a very just open door friendly environment where you can come in and be comfortable and while you're getting well. When you come here, you're happy to be here, and when you leave here, you're happy to come back. Trey is very lovable and very friendly. He loves people and people love him. Well, when we first started coming here, he really had so many issues processing anything, just getting the signals from his brain to his mouth to be able to talk. It was very difficult for him to be able to do.
Say please. Please. Say please.
He has the abilities now to be able to make the sounds, whereas before he didn't even know where to begin or how to start. I think the adjustments help calm him to a point where he's able to use those other energies to focus more on language progression.
Power's on!
So a lot of progress over the year. Ruvain is open-hearted and he's very outspoken. So he genuinely cares, he genuinely wants to help. Everybody loves him. Everybody does.
Power's on!